Today, they're going to learn how to fix Fortnite not loading in 2026. If the game is stuck on the loading screen, not opening, or crashing before it starts. This will walk through the most common fixes, step by step. These are simple solutions that usually solve the problem without needing advanced knowledge, so the first thing they should do is restart their computer. It sounds basic, but many times this fixes temporary system issues that prevent Fortnite from launching properly after restarting. They try opening the game again if it still doesn't work. The next step is to check the Epic Games launcher. They open the launcher and make sure it is fully updated. Sometimes Fortnite won't load if the launcher itself is outdated. They can also check if there is an update available for the game. If there is, they should install it and wait until it finishes. Now, another very common issue is corrupted game files. To fix this, they go to their library inside the Epic Games launcher. They find Fortnite, click on the 3 dots next to it, and select Verify. This will scan the game files and automatically fix anything that is missing or broken. It may take a few minutes, but it's one of the most effective fixes. Next, they should check their internet connection since Fortnite is an online game. A weak or unstable connection can prevent it from loading. They should make sure they are connected to a stable network and try restarting their router if needed. Another important step is checking if Fortnite servers are down. Sometimes the problem is not on their side. If the servers are under maintenance or experiencing issues, the game may not load at all. In that case, the only thing to do is wait until the servers are back online. Now let's move to system requirements. If their PC doesn't meet the minimum requirements, Fortnite may fail to load or crash. They should make sure their system has enough RAM, a compatible graphics card, and updated drivers. Speaking of drivers, updating the graphics drivers is very important. Outdated drivers can cause crashes, black screens, or loading problems. They should go to their graphics card provider's website and install the latest version. Another fix is running the game as administrator. They can right-click the Fortnite shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This gives the game the permissions it needs to run properly. Now, let's talk about background applications. Sometimes other programs running on the PC can interfere with Fortnite. They should close unnecessary apps, especially heavy ones, before launching the game. This frees up system resources and can improve performance. Another common issue is antivirus or firewall blocking the game. They should check their antivirus settings and make sure Fortnite and the Epic Games launcher are allowed if needed. They can temporarily disable the antivirus to test if that's the problem. Now, if none of these steps work, they can try reinstalling the game. They uninstall Fortnite from the launcher and then install it again. This can fix deeper issues that other methods don't solve. It takes more time, but it's often effective. Also, clearing the launcher cache can help. They close the Epic Games launcher completely and clear temporary files from their system. Then they reopen the launcher and try again. At this point, most loading issues should be fixed. Now, as a final tip, they should always keep their system updated. This includes Windows updates, drivers, and the game itself. Keeping everything updated reduces the chances of errors happening again, and that's how they can fix Fortnite not loading in 2026 step by step, from simple fixes like restarting the PC to more advanced solutions like verifying files or reinstalling the game.